What if I told you that putting in contact lenses, something that scares nearly every beginner, can actually take less than 30 seconds once you know exactly what you're doing? No pain. No panic. No lens stuck to your eyelid. By the end of this video, you're going to put in your first contact lens like a pro, using the exact 7-step method validated by the American Academy of Ophthalmology. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, a quick note: everything you're about to learn is based on guidelines from the American Academy of Ophthalmology, the gold standard in eye care in the United States. I'm not here to guess. I'm here to give you the real, doctor-approved process. And please, if you have any specific eye conditions, always consult your eye care professional before starting contacts. Your eyes are irreplaceable. Alright, here's what nobody tells you before they hand you a contact lens for the first time. Your brain is going to fight you. It's called the blink reflex, and it's completely normal. Your eye does not want something coming toward it. But here's the secret: once you master this process, that reflex goes away almost instantly. So let's walk through the 7 steps, one by one. Step 1, and this is the most important one: wash your hands. Not a quick rinse. A full 20-second scrub with soap and water. But here's the part most people miss: avoid soaps with oils, lotions, or fragrances. According to the AAO, these can cling to the lens surface and cause irritation or blurry vision. Dry your hands with a lint-free towel, not a paper towel that sheds particles. This one small detail makes a huge difference. Step 2, prepare the lens. Open your case and gently shake it. This loosens the lens if it's stuck. Now carefully slide it onto the tip of your index or middle finger. Use your fingertips, not your nails. One scratch on that lens and it's done. Now hold it up and look at it closely. Does it look like a perfect bowl? Good, it's right side out and ready to go. Does it look like a soup bowl with a flared rim or lip along the edge? Flip it. It's inside out. Don't worry, it happens to everyone, and it's an easy fix. Step 3, rinse the lens. Before that lens goes anywhere near your eye, rinse it with contact lens solution. Not water. Not tap water. Never tap water. Tap water can contain microorganisms that may lead to a serious eye infection. Always use solution. Every single time. You're doing great, but here's where most beginners fail. And it's not what you think. It's not the insertion itself. It's what happens right before they insert the lens. Stay with me, this next step changes everything. Step 4, hold your eye open. This is the game changer. Take your non-dominant hand and hold your upper eyelid wide open. Then, with the middle finger of the hand holding the lens, pull your lower eyelid down. Now you've created a clear, open target zone for the lens to land on. Some people prefer to use their thumb and forefinger of one hand to open both lids at once. Try both and see what works for you personally. The key here: don't blink. Look straight ahead, or slightly upward toward the ceiling. Step 5, place the lens. Slowly bring your fingertip toward your eye. Look up, or look straight ahead, and gently place the lens directly onto your eye. Don't jab it. Don't rush it. Just place it. The lens will center itself naturally once it touches the surface of your eye. Quick question for you, drop it in the comments right now. What was the scariest part about trying contacts for the first time? Was it the touching your eye part? Or was it something completely different? I read every single comment. Tell me down below. Step 6, settle the lens. Once the lens is in, slowly close your eye and roll it in a full circle. This helps the lens find its natural center position. Then open your eye, blink gently a few times, and check yourself in the mirror. Is your vision clear? Does the lens feel comfortable? Then you nailed it. If it feels scratchy or your vision is blurry, don't panic. Just take it out, rinse it again with solution, and reinsert. It happens, even to experienced wearers. Step 7, know the safety signals. This is the step most beginner videos completely skip, and it's one of the most important. If you experience any of the following, stop and remove your lens immediately: redness or unusual irritation, pain or sudden discomfort, blurry vision that won't clear up, sensitivity to light, excessive tearing, or any strange discharge from the eye.
These may be early warning signs of an eye infection or a lens problem. When in doubt, take it out, and see your eye care professional as soon as possible.
Now here's the real question most beginners are secretly afraid to ask. Can a contact lens actually get lost behind your eye? The answer, according to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, is no. Absolutely not. There is a membrane called the conjunctival fornix that physically connects your eyelid to your eyeball. A lens cannot go behind it. It may shift off-center if you rub your eye too hard, but it cannot disappear. It's physically impossible. The only reason this myth keeps surviving, because nobody ever explained the anatomy. Before I wrap up, here are 5 pro tips that will separate you from every other beginner out there. Tip 1. Always start with the same eye. Develop a consistent routine, right eye first, every single time. This prevents you from ever mixing up lenses that may have different prescriptions for each eye. Tip 2. Keep your fingernails short. A small nail scratch on your cornea can ruin your entire week. Keep them trimmed, especially while you're still learning. Tip 3. Never sleep in your contacts, unless your eye doctor has specifically cleared you for extended wear lenses. Sleeping in regular contacts cuts off oxygen to your cornea and dramatically increases your risk of infection. Tip 4. Put your contacts in before applying makeup, and take them out before you remove your makeup. Cosmetic residue on your lenses can cause serious irritation and may even damage them. Tip 5. Replace your lens case every 3 months. Your storage case can become a breeding ground for bacteria over time. A fresh case is cheap protection for your eyes. One more thing, if you're serious about getting into contacts, the very first step is getting a proper contact lens fitting from a licensed eye care professional. They will match you to the exact lens type, material, and prescription that fits your specific eyes. The cost is usually very affordable, and many vision insurance plans cover it. Don't skip this step. It makes the entire process so much easier and safer.
Quick but important note, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a licensed eye care professional before starting contact lenses preg, especially if you have any existing eye conditions. All right, Naf, you now know the complete, doctor-backed 7-step system for putting in contact lenses like an absolute pro. No fear, no confusion, just clear, confident vision. If this video helped you how, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe to Vision Hacks so you never miss a video like this one. Your vision is worth protecting. I'll see you in the next one.